These are some animals that can actually regrow their body parts when they are cut off. Number 1. Axolotl. The axolotl is a rare amphibian native to lakes near Mexico City and is often called the walking fish, even though it is not a fish. It can regrow entire legs, feet, tail, spinal cord, jaw parts, skin, nerves, blood vessels, parts of the heart, and even sections of its brain. Unlike most animals, the regrown body parts are often nearly identical to the originals. Scientists study axolotls heavily because understanding their regeneration may help future human medicine. Unlike most amphibians, axolotls stay underwater and never fully mature into land-dwelling adults, keeping their feathery external gills for life. In the wild, they are critically endangered because of pollution, urban expansion, and invasive fish species. Number 2. Sea star. Sea stars, often mistakenly called starfish, are ocean animals that can regrow lost arms and sometimes nearly their entire body. In certain species, a single arm with part of the center body attached can regenerate into a completely new sea star. They do not have a brain or blood and instead move using a hydraulic water vascular system that powers tiny tube feet underneath their body. Some sea stars can intentionally sacrifice an arm to escape predators and slowly regrow it over time. They come in many colors and sizes and can be found from shallow coral reefs to the deepest ocean floors. Number 3. Planarian. Planarians are tiny flatworms famous for having one of the greatest regeneration abilities in the animal kingdom. If cut into several pieces, each piece can potentially regrow into an entirely new worm complete with a head, eyes, brain, digestive system, and organs. Their bodies are packed with powerful stem cells called neoblasts that constantly repair and rebuild tissue. Scientists use planarians to study aging, stem cells, and regeneration because some appear to resist biological aging in unusual ways. Despite looking simple, they have light-sensitive eyes and can detect food chemically in water. Number 4. Green anole. The green anole is a small lizard known for being able to regrow its tail after losing it to predators. When threatened, it can intentionally drop its tail, a survival behavior called autotomy, while the detached tail wiggles to distract attackers. The new tail grows back but is usually made from cartilage rather than the original bone structure. Green anoles can slightly change color between bright green and brown depending on temperature, mood, or stress, although they are not true chameleons. They are skilled climbers and spend much of their lives in trees and bushes hunting insects. Number 5. Deer. Deer are one of the few mammals capable of true regeneration because males regrow their antlers every year. After shedding old antlers, new ones begin growing rapidly and can sometimes grow nearly an inch in a single day, making them among the fastest growing tissues in the animal kingdom. During growth, antlers are covered in soft skin called velvet that supplies nutrients and blood. Once hardened, males use antlers to fight rivals and attract mates during breeding season. Different deer species vary greatly in size, from tiny poodoos to giant moose relatives. Number 6. Crabs. Crabs can regrow missing legs, claws, and other appendages, although the process usually happens gradually over several molts. If threatened, some species can intentionally detach a limb to escape predators and later regenerate it. Young crabs regrow body parts faster because they molt more often while growing. Crabs have hard exoskeletons instead of bones and must shed them regularly to increase in size. They live in oceans, rivers, swamps, beaches, and even forests, and some species can survive for surprising lengths of time out of water. Number 7. Octopus. Octopuses can regrow lost arms, including nerves, muscles, and suckers, until the replacement becomes fully functional again. Their arms are incredibly advanced and contain many neurons, meaning each arm can perform certain movements almost independently from the brain. Some octopuses lose arms during predator attacks or aggressive encounters with other octopuses and later regenerate them over months. They are considered among the smartest invertebrates, capable of solving puzzles, opening containers, escaping tanks, and even recognizing individual humans. They also use camouflage to instantly change color and texture to blend into their surroundings. Number 8. Sea cucumber. Sea cucumbers have one of the strangest survival abilities in the ocean because some species can eject their internal organs to distract predators and later regrow them completely. This process, called evisceration, allows them to survive attacks that would kill many other animals. Despite their soft appearance, sea cucumbers are related to sea stars and sea urchins. They help clean the ocean floor by eating decaying material and recycling nutrients back into the ecosystem. Some species can also release sticky toxic threads as a defense mechanism. Number 9. Salamander. Salamanders are among the greatest vertebrate regenerators on Earth and can regrow legs, tails, spinal cord tissue, jaw parts, skin, eye tissue, and even parts of the heart. Some species can regrow the same limb multiple times without major defects. Scientists study salamanders intensely because they may hold clues to improving tissue repair in humans. Most salamanders have moist skin and depend on damp environments such as forests, wetlands, and streams. Some species are brightly colored to warn predators that they are toxic. Number 10. Spiny lobster. Spiny lobsters can regrow lost legs, antennae, and damaged body parts over repeated molts. Unlike true lobsters, they do not have giant front claws and instead rely on their long spiny antennae for defense and sensing danger. If attacked, they can sometimes escape by rapidly swimming backward using powerful tail flicks. Spiny lobsters often live in rocky crevices and reefs and sometimes travel in long lines during migration. Their hard shell protects them from predators, but they must repeatedly molt as they grow larger. If you enjoyed watching this video, remember to like the video and subscribe to this channel, so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be notified. And if you have any suggestions for my next videos, you can always write it all down in the comments section.